Who's the chef that you know? It's Chef Bill.
Hello, friend. Tonight we're going to make some popcorn. And to tell you all about it is my good friend and folk singer, Mr. Leon Licker. Made some popcorn the other day. Made sure my pot was heavy. I put the flame on medium. Made sure that pan heated up some. Handful of kernels sprinkled around. I waited until I heard that popping sound. Poppin', popcorn. Poppin' corn. Add enough to cover that bottom up. Then watch as they all pop up. Add some salt till they taste great. But don't you forget to agitate, singing poppin', popcorn. Poppin', popcorn. Butter and cayenne for flavor. You have some now and save some for later. Soon that corn will be all gone. So remember this